Okay, what's up, Dan Baker? In order to do a problem like this, you need to remember an acronym. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which can be used PEMDAS. First thing that you do is anything inside grouping symbols. The first grouping symbols, okay, can be seen right over here. Those are grouping symbols. The straight line is what's called absolute value, and it just means the distance from zero, but you have to work your way with the parentheses from the inside out. Okay? Let me see. So, let me see, I'm going to do a different color. I'm going to do red for the first line. Okay? So, you need to get in the habit of rewriting the whole thing each time so you don't leave anything out. And I'm not going to do any multiplies and divides first. I'm just going to do the parentheses first. So I'm going to leave negative 16 times 3/4 divided by negative 2 plus, I'm going to leave the absolute value because I'm going to do that. I work inside out. 9 minus 3 times 4 plus 1 is 5. And I'm going to put a grouping symbol, and then I'm going to keep that absolute value there. And then I'm going to rewrite it again and continue working on the way inside out. Negative 16 times 3/4 divided by negative 2 plus absolute value of 9 minus 15. Okay? Now, 9 minus 15 is negative 6. And I'm going to leave those absolute values there so that you can see what it looks like, okay? Or that's what absolute value means. I'm going to just rewrite this: negative 16 times 3/4 divided by negative 2 plus the absolute value of negative 6. Absolute value means that the positive value of whatever that integer is. So the absolute value of negative 6, okay, is going to be positive 6. So I can take the absolute value sign off and just put plus 6. So I'm left with negative 16, okay, times 3/4 divided by negative 2 plus 6. Okay? So we're getting there now. Okay? I had to make that smaller so I could make it fit. So, what I do now, after I'm done with the parentheses, okay, there are no exponents. Now, once I have it down to, I did the parentheses, all the grouping symbols are gone, I'm going to go ahead and multiply and divide. They go together, M and D go together in order from left to right. Okay, so negative 16, or hold on, negative 16 times 3/4. Okay, I need to put 16 over 1, and I can go ahead and what's called cross reduce. I know there's negative 4 4s in 16, and this one is going to be 1, so it's going to be negative 4 over 1 times 3, which would be negative 12 divided by negative 2 plus 6. Okay. Then I'm still have some multiplies and divides, and I always go in order from left to right. Negative 12 divided by negative 2, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 12 divided by 2 is 6, so it's going to be positive 6 plus 6. I'm all out of multiplies and divides, so I add and subtract in order from left to right. I got 6 plus 6 equals 12, and that's how you get your final answer. I hope that helps.